Welcome back to the Frying Scotsman. I am Deep Fried Mark Bar.
And sober. Neither did you.
You're sober, that's why you're buggered. In today's taste test, we've got a Snickers bar. I said Snickers. You enjoy that?
Drink. Remember, when did you have to pick up a hard chocolate again?
I literally just picked up the first bit of chocolate I saw. It wasn't even in the fridge. Why did I go for saying right? I hate this. So 1 out of 10 for me.
I can take it or leave it, so I'll say 5.
So 1 and a 5. Thanks for joining us for this one. Join us for the next one.